Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today I have a Glossy Box. Oh, makeup, you know I love the makeup. Oh my goodness. This is January 2022, version 2. Ooh, don't look at that, y'all. Okay, so Glossy Box is a monthly makeup and beauty subscription. They send you 5 products from sample size to full size products, and you pay $17.50 a month. If you want to try Glossy Box, I do have a code for you. It gives you $5 off. It is Gina-HJLZWPRN. I will put it down here so you can use that, or you can go down below and use the link. It does still give you the $5 off, and I do really appreciate it if you use my links. So let's open this box up and see what is in here. You know what? We love the makeup. Okay, so got the classic Glossy Box with the sales ads in the bottom. There's normally a Geico and a, well, there's not a Geico this time. We have a Hello Fresh. This code if somebody wants to use the Hello Fresh. And this is that toilet paper. Who gives a crap toilet paper? Here is the code on that if you want to try the Who Gives a Crap toilet paper. I think it's so funny they're sending those now. That is hilarious. Oh, here's the Geico. It was stuck to the bottom. Recycle. Okay. I love these boxes. I love that they're reusable. You know, I think that is just wonderful. And they're recyclable. And they're cute. So there's the inside. Let's see, let's see. Oh my goodness, all the stuff. Okay. Is there a card in here somewhere? Let me find it. There's not a card in here. That's unusual. Alright, the theme for this month is mindful mornings. So I don't know why I can't find a card or anything, but we're just going to look at this little sneak peek thing and see if it tells us about these products. Here is this first sneak peek. This is the Blume Daydream Super Gentle Face Wash, a gentle and lightweight ultra hydrating cream facial cleanser to help kickstart your mornings. So we got a face cleanser. I'll leave it sealed because I couldn't smell it right now if I tried. Y'all, me still being sick. But yes, very cool. I can't tell you how much it's worth because they didn't send me paperwork, and I'm disappointed about that. Sneak peek number 2. This is Codex Antü Brightening Serum. This is firming and smoothing. This antioxidant-rich facial serum helps to reverse the signs of aging with this special Antü complex. 94% of users agree skin is softer and more supple after using. Interesting. Serum. Oh, this one's not sealed. And greasy. Odd smell. Faint smell, but odd. Don't know that I love this. I'll use it. And it did make my skin softer. Okay, sneak peek number 3. This is the Afterspa Black Marble Roller. Make your serum and face masks work even harder. This facial roller is designed to increase circulation in your skin. Perfect if you wake up with puffy eyes. Keep a Take a moment to relax and enjoy the cooling sensation as you roll and massage your way around your face. The smaller side fits neatly around your nose and mouth, while the larger side is great for cheeks, jawline, and neck. So that is cool. The one I have only has one side, so I'm interested about this. And it squeaks. Let's see if this one squeaks. See if I can get it out. So this is black marble. The other one I have is jade. Ooh, it is nice and cold. Ooh, that is cold. Okay. Yeah. Granted, I probably shouldn't be doing this while I have makeup on. But man, does that not feel good on me. Okay. Yep. Very cool. I do like getting little gadgets and gadgets and things like that. And this one doesn't seem to squeak like the other one does. So I really like that. It's really smooth. Cooling depuffing effect. Yep. Okay. Let's put it up here too. These get puffy as well. Okay. I'll move on now, y'all. I know. Invisibobbles. We like invisibobble. Ooh, these are different. What is this? It's for buns, y'all. I hadn't seen these before. Invisibobble Bun Star. For many of us, throwing our hair into a bun is part of the morning ritual. This innovative tool from Invisibobble reinvents the bun. No hair ties needed. Wrap your hair into shape, then take the Bun Star and simply twist it into the center until it feels secure. Huh? There's instructions. Let's just play. So there's two of them. This is interesting. Did it work? I missed a spot. I mean, I guess. I don't know that it would stay up. But yeah, I just threw it up quick. I don't know. How funny. I'll have to play with this thing some more and see. Now the trick is getting it out of your hair. Okay. This is so funny. I don't even know. Very interesting. Yeah, like I said, I love gadgets. I love playing with things. Next, we have Philip Kingsley Bond Builder. Protect and strengthen existing bonds and repair broken ones while instantly sealing split ends for stronger, visibly healthier hair. This formula works on and below the surface of the hair for better and longer lasting results. Interesting. So it's a split end remedy. Not sealed. I mean, I don't really have split ends. I don't have that trouble, but never hurts to put extra, right? I don't know. Interesting. So that's all my sneak peeks. So this is what's left. This is what was not sneak peeked on the website. And this is the Le Mini Macaron. I don't know. This is from Korea. This is the moisturizing foot mask with lavender oil. Y'all, these things are awesome. I have used this before, and it's like, they're like little socks, kind of papery socks. They have the essence all over them. You put your foot in it, you wrap it up, and you leave it there for 15 minutes, and your feet feel wonderful after. It is kind of a plasticky on the outside of the sock, so you're not getting the essence everywhere while you're wearing them. I really like these. I mean, I really like these. I'm so glad to have another one of these. It's 2 pairs of socks, comes in this. And the last thing are these Julep Wipes. These are Love Your Bare Face Brightening Cleansing Cloths. Gently remove makeup and cleanse your skin. I like these cloths. I'm trying to get away from them, you know, because of the sustainability. I'm trying to go more towards like the makeup erasers, things like that that can be reused instead of these disposable things. But I will use them as they send them to me. And Julep's a good brand. They are sealed. I'm gonna leave them sealed because right now I have the other ones open. But very cool. Okay, so what did you think of my box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. Yeah, so I got 7 things in my box. Pretty neat. I'm really happy with this. I am ecstatic over these. I am laughably intrigued by these. And, you know, the Bond Builder, the Serum, which kind of smells a little weird. I don't think it'll stay on. I can't smell it anymore, and my skin does feel soft. And then a cleanser. Love cleansers. So what do y'all think? What do you think of the Glossy Box for the month of January? Very interesting. It did come kind of late in January. Today's the 21st. But that's not uncommon. I think they send them to the people they want to get the first reviews, and it's not me. I'm just a wee baby channel. Y'all, comment below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to press all those buttons down there. The thumbs up, the little bell that tells you when I put out new videos, the subscribe button, the share button. I love it when you do all that. It does help my channel out. I appreciate it so very much. Y'all, thanks for spending time with me. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.